Welcome back, everybody. I'm back to bring you another haul. Here I have a couple of things that I purchased on the Ulta 21-day sale. I didn't really buy a lot of stuff. I just bought a few things. Yes, it took me a couple trips to get to Sephora because every day was a different sale. So let's start with some of the things that I got from the 21-day sale, and then we're gonna work our way with some of the stuff that weren't not on sale. And if you hear like a noise in the background, my sister is playing some music upstairs. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you the first thing I got, and then from there I just don't remember what days it was of each day. So I got the Too Faced Natural Face blush palette. I got this before, but this time I wanted to get it for my kid because I kept taking mine, and now that everything that's going on, I just want to have separate stuff for me. I always disinfect. See how pretty are these blushes? So I always disinfect my stuff with a spray that they have from Cinema Secret. So it's good to always spray it down so it could affect any bacteria that it may have, or you know, like you don't want to share things and not clean it, you know. The next thing I got was the Benefit brow pencil in the Precisely My Brow Pencil. I got this in a number 4. Yep, yeah, whatever. I have it already. I like to use this to fill in my brows hairs a little bit because they're not really full. It has a shape, but it doesn't have it's not like bushy or anything. So I like to like lightly put it in. So yeah, so it comes like this. It's a small little pencil like that. It's obviously a retractable pencil, and it comes with a comb. It's pretty. I love this pencil. I like how it looks. I like how easy it is to go on. My favorite pencil. Next we have is the Too Faced Hangover face primer. I love this face primer. It's like the best one. It smells like coconut. It's supposed to work for any, like, I think it worked for lines. I'm not sure, but somehow, like, I'm starting to get lines. Yeah, you know, once you're hitting that age, you start getting a few lines. But it's supposed to work well, hydrating. It promotes elasticity, helps hydrate, lock down makeup for refresher, longer and flawless wear. I love this foundation. I love this primer. It's the best. Next up is the All Nighter Urban Decay setting spray. I already have it here because obviously this is a backup. This one is a backup as well. I love this stuff. It's supposed to make your makeup stay all night, up to 16 hours. So I love this stuff, and I use it for my clients. I have this travel size one because obviously I don't like to pack so many things. So I like to take a little bit at it, like, you know, in travel size set. So I ended up buying some lashes from Ulta, of course, like I was saying. I bought these little thing to carry in my makeup kit, and I also bought a nail filer because every time I'm somewhere, my nail decides to break in half. So this is cute to file your nail, travel size, it's small, it fits in your bag. I love this size, but every time I go somewhere, it's like my nail breaks, and I always have to like file the edges, which really pisses me off. So another thing that I got was another glue, because obviously you can't go out without glue. I'm missing this one. I don't know what happened to the other one, and I had to get that one. And the lashes that I got were the Kiss lashes. I got Clifton Royal Silk and another Clifton because I really like this one. So you could see how pretty this one is. I don't know if you could see the lighting because it's kind of showing like a thing there, so you could see. And then this one is Clifton or Shifton or Clifton, whatever. It's pretty. I like these. I like full lashes because I have big eyes, so I like like lashes that are full and a little bit long, the Ardell Wispy doesn't look right to me. It looks like I don't have anything on, so I don't technically get that from me. But if it's for clients, I definitely get it for them. So these are the lashes. I think they were like $6.99. I'm not sure, or $4.99, but they're pretty expensive because I like to buy lashes in a bulk and pay $5 for a couple lashes, you know. Another thing that I got is this one, but this has nothing to do with Ulta. I went to I think this is Walmart, and look, I don't like these lashes. They don't look right on my eyes. So I thought they were gonna look cute, but not really. Excuse my nails, because I haven't had time to like paint them. But yeah, I'm not very fond of these lashes. Yeah, this has nothing to do with the Ulta purchase, but yeah. All right, another purchase from Ulta. I got some wipes. So this one tends to like burn my skin. I don't know why. Before, I don't know, it didn't compared to the MAC ones, but somehow this kind of like, I feel like it started to irritate me. So I ended up just buying that one to test it out again, and then getting this one. I really like this one because this one has like oil in it. It doesn't give me that effect the way this one gives me, the Neutrogena. So if you have sensitive skin, you should try this. Yeah, so another thing that I got that was not in the sale is the KK Beauty #1 liner. This one is good to wear with nude lips. I got a #1, the #1. See how, well, you can't see it. I'm wearing the 1.3, so it's lighter than the one I have on. So I got that one, and I got the Anastasia liquid liner. I like this one. I definitely like it more because of the packaging. It's purple, and it's so pretty. The one is pretty. It's a matte. It dries out matte, so I'm sure a lot of makeup artists want to know what's a good matte liner, and this is it. Oh, I don't know how you can see the wand. Hold on. There you go. I'm gonna swatch it, and then I'm gonna let it dry for a second, and I'll show you when it dries. So I'm gonna show you some things from other places I got from other brands. So I had a $20 reward at Macy's, so I really wanted to get another Estee Lauder foundation, but in a different color because I'm getting lighter. So once it's January, I'm like really pale. Right now I'm like in Estee Lauder, I'm Fawn 1.5. So I got the Rattan 2W2 for my winter shade. I love this foundation because it leaves your face like, oh my god, it stays all day. Now, if you have some lines, or you're always going through with foundation, that you're putting on foundation and then you're seeing your lines pop out, that you be like, oh my god, I didn't know I have lines. Like, where is this coming from, right? This does not give you that. So if you're going through that right now with your foundation, you need to get this ASAP, because this one is the best. Lasts all day, is waterproof. It obviously, it says stays in place, you can see it, but whatever. The best foundation. I already have like 3 shades because my shade goes up and down. So yeah, so I got that one. I ended up also buying how you call that, bronzing palette, sculpting contour palette from MAC. I bought the shade with taupe and sculpt. These are the lighter shade. I got it for my clients because I have the other one, but the one that I have is so heavy because of the packaging of the one I have. See, this one is too heavy, like compared to this. So now that's gonna be mine. This is gonna be for my kit because this one is too heavy to carry. So yeah, so I got that. Very cute packaging. I also ended up getting the Natasha Denona new palette. This one is called Glam Palette. The one that I have, the gold one, because I ended up getting also, we're gonna see pulling up my stash here. I ended up getting the gold one too before, months back, and I don't really like this palette. I don't know why. It's too many golds. I don't know. Not very like fond with gold, but I got this color. It's so pretty. Look at that nice color combination. It's so pretty. And you have your matte, your shimmer, your sheen. It's so pretty. Like seriously, you need it. You need it if you're watching. So anyways, this one I got months back in Sephora. Obviously both are from Sephora. Actually no, this one is from the actual place, actual brand. So I got this one, and I'm not like, it's all gold. I'm not very fun about that. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about it, but as you can see, I don't like it. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna take a pause and show you the liner. And I'm not sure if you could see it, but it's pretty matte. I don't know if you could see it, but yeah. I'm just saying, if you really want a matte liner, you should definitely get your hands on this liner. It's really, really nice. So let's continue with those. So I ended up getting two things from them because my shade that I got, the shades that I got from them are too dark now. I'm slowly lightening myself up because I haven't been tanning. So I ended up getting foundation. This foundation, this number 118, it matches up to the NARS Barcelona color, and since I'm going down in my shades, I ended up getting the lighter one. I have the 19 or the 120. So this is the color 118, and this is like a medium to full coverage, and it's high. Actually, it's a matte finish, and it's buildable, and it's lightweight. So I'm guessing it's medium to full coverage. You could build it up if you want a more full coverage, but I love this. I already used this one, and it stays all day. I would say it's comparable to kind of to this one, but the lightweight one, the consistency, the way it stays, it lasts all day. It doesn't like spread. The Charlotte Tilbury spreads. Like if it's hot and you're sweaty here, like you'll see it spread out. So this one, I've tested it. This one is really good. I like this one. Yes, I'm subscribed at Boxy Charm. Lately I haven't been liking their stuff because I don't know, like they've been giving like weird things. Like I'm tired of freaking liners. Like I'm like tired of it, and I'm tired of all these crazy palettes. Like you don't even know. But let's see what we got this month. So this month I got the Huda Beauty matte eyeshadow liquid. I mean, this is good, but I don't really wear that. The only thing I'm excited about this box is the palette, which is a shadow palette from Olamar. I love her shadows. I love the so I'm happy about that. I also ended up getting a sponge. I'm not gonna open it. I'm sure everybody's seen this. I got the Intensive Exfoliating Treatment from Kate Somerville. Nice. And I got this weird thing. It's a mud mask brand, specialized series. It's supposed to be a mask that protects you from the blue light in your computer or your light or television and whatever. I was confused when I opened this. I was like, what is this? Like I mean, do I put this in my phone? Like, it goes in my face, you know? Like, I don't know. So yeah, so I got this. So I'm happy about the sponge. I'm happy about this. I'm happy about this, but I'm not happy about these two. I don't know. But yeah, so that's what you get when you pay subscriptions and you don't know what's in your box. So yeah, I'll show you next month if I remember to film, obviously. So yeah, so we'll see what's gonna happen next. I hope you like my haul. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions or anything like that makeup related, leave in the comment below. And you can follow me at Melly Beauty at Instagram. And yep, that's it. See you later, guys.